Here are some interesting facts about skunks. Skunks are famous for their ability to spray a foul-smelling liquid as a defense mechanism. This spray can reach distances of up to 10 feet. Before spraying, skunks typically show warning signs, such as stomping their feet and raising their tails, giving potential threats a chance to back off. Skunks are omnivorous, eating a variety of foods including insects, small mammals, fruits, and even carrion. They play a role in controlling insect populations. Skunks are primarily nocturnal, being most active during the night when they search for food. While most skunks are recognized for their black and white coloration, some species have different color patterns, including brown or cream. Skunks can be solitary, but are sometimes seen in small groups, especially during the mating season or when raising young. In the wild, skunks typically live around 3 to 5 years, but they can live longer in captivity, sometimes reaching up to 10 years. Have you ever smelled skunk spray?